is simple and compound interest. Simple interest is an interest that is paid only on the principal of a loan and not on any interest from previous periods of the loan or deposit. Compound interest is an interest that is paid not only on the principal of loan or deposit but also on the accumulated interest from previous period of loan or deposit. So we have sample problem here. Fritz took out a loan for 195,000 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3 interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan in 5 years? So first we are going to multiply the principal to the interest rate that is added by 1. So as we can see in the end of year 1, Fritz almost earned 203,385 pesos. And then in the end of year 2, the total amount that Fritz earned in year 1 was multiplied by the interest rate. Therefore, Fritz earned 212,130.56 pesos in the end of year 2. So we are going to repeat the process until in the end of year 5 to get the total amount that Fritz is going to earn. Next problem. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have payback total in 2 years? So first we are going to multiply the principal amount of 1,200 to the interest rate of 0.08 to get 96.00, and then we are going to multiply 96.00 into 2 to get the total payback amount within 2 years. So Hori will pay back total of 1,392 within 2 years. So next problem. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earned in 10 years? So first, we are going to multiply the borrowed amount of 48,000 to the interest rate of 0.12 to get 5,760, and then to get the principal amount that have been invested in 4 years, we are going to multiply 5,760 into 4, and then to get the total amount of principal and interest, we are going to add 23,040 to 48,000. Next problem. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? So just like what we did in example number 1, we are going to multiply the principal amount to the interest rate that is added by 1 to get the total amount at the end of year 1. And in year 2, we are going to multiply the total amount of year 1 to the interest rate to get the total amount of in the end of year 2. And then we're going to repeat the process until the end of year 10 to get its total amount. Next problem. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. So first, we are going to divide the earned interest amount of 3,500 into 0.10 annual interest that is multiplied by 5 to get 0.5 interest rate, and next we are going to divide 3,500 into 0.5 interest rate to get the principal loan amount of 7,000. And second to the last problem, Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earned 10,017 of simple interest. Calculate the interest rate. So first we are going to divide the amount of 10,017 simple interest into 2 years to get the interest amount of 5,008.5 per year. And next we are going to divide the interest amount of 5,008.5 into the borrowed amount of 79,000 to get the interest rate. And the last problem, if the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 230 that has a rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? So first, we are going to multiply the investment amount of 230 into the interest rate of 3 to get the amount of 690. And next, we are going to divide 690 into 100 to get the interest rate of 6.9. And then lastly, we are going to divide the amount of 55.2 interest into 6.9 interest rate to get the time amount of 8.